Well, good morning. This is Derek Demore, Futures Demore, Futures Networks Live, a redo because I did not record this screen. So I'm hoping that this time it goes well. Taco Tuesday. Thanks to Rob Betch. We're going to try bullet points. You can read this. I'm not going to go over it. I'm going to do it as we go and talk about opening bell, but these are the bullet points for the video. All right. Pause it and read, and then we'll go on. So as you can see, the three markets, we were below each of the 200 period and the 10 period EMAs. The call was for a short at market, which is what we did. And then you can see also on the 60 minute that we were above two of the EMAs. So in my opinion, the NASDAQ was looking a little bit bearish at the time, and it was a little bit worse because this is 9 o'clock. It was a little bit worse at 9:30. So I put some limit orders down at some Fibonacci's and at the 200 periods to take to go long the market. So we went short right at 9:30, won and filled all three, went long a little bit later, 5 to 10 minutes later with some DCAs and did really well long. So you can trade these markets both ways. I will show you with the data series exactly what we did and how it turned out. So as you can see, we went short market, won all three markets, entries, targets. I can show you the totals in a couple different ways. Here is one. So in our Sim 101 account, which is what this is, and you can see the targets, 40.75 points, and we made 263 in the micro. It would be 2,635 if you went with the mini. And then as you can see in the other market, the Sim Triple Play LO down here, we made 325.75. You can see we got into 4 contracts DCAing on the Russell and on the NAS. Only took 1.375 on the MES, and I don't remember why. I think I misclicked or something. So we did well in both, and it just goes to show you that you can, with right entries, correct spots, you can do well. So I will show you the totals later. Let's go look at end of day. So because I screwed up the video, I had these, we discussed everything. It was a split the uprights. I think I had it down here and like here. It had come down and it had touched the channel. It didn't come all the way down to my spot. Today, the way that I analyze the market, we could either come up and touch, but we have a triple tap at 41.79 and it looks bearish overall. I mean, you can see as long as we stay above the 41.52 line, then it could be a little bit bullish, but in general, I'm kind of seeing this going down to the 41.21 level. So we split the uprights yesterday. These are my calls today. Then similar, I had these located, I think they were both below, and it came down again, touched the channel, finished below the 21 period. As you can see here, we finished above the 1330 and above this 13,291, which is kind of this line that's been forever. Triple tap though, an actual more bearish triple tap kind of look. And we're below 12 days. We've been below the 10-day moving average. So we're outside of the channel. We were outside. We're still in the channel. All depends on how we close today. So you can see that I'm looking like we're going down. But if it's a sleeper and it stays within, then we could, touch and go above the 50 period, which would be really bullish. So that's kind of where we're at on the NAS. And here's my end of day choices. And then on the Russell, it was very similar, split the uprights. It was closer. I think I had it here and down in this area. It broke the up channel. So that, is bearish in general. And then It went up and wicked up here. It's come up a second time, and it doesn't look like we can get past this 2245 area. So it needs basically to close today above this 2228.5, but ideally I'd like it to be above 2236. And if it pulls back to 2200, I don't mind that for a long, but anything closing below 2200 is bearish. So this is where I put my end of day calls. Again, yesterday, look back at the video, we had split the uprights. Well, that's pretty much a summary. I'm going to show you the totals for today and how we did. So we went with the market entries. We made 775 on 2 contracts, 24 points on 4 contracts. Oh, no, this is the market entry. Yeah, we just did market, 2, 2, and 2, all went in our direction, 40.75, 2.63 currency units. On my limit orders, took 1.375, I have no idea, on 2 contracts, did 2 DCAs, so 24, 2 times 4 contracts, and the Russell 6 points times 4 contracts. So the total 31, a little over 31 points and 325 currency units. So that was a good day. Glad you could be here, helping you to have positive points for breakfast and learn how to become better and more profitable traders. Please subscribe and like. Let me know how you like the bullet points today, and hopefully I don't have to redo the video twice tomorrow. Aloha and mahalo. Glad you're with us.